Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm back. I am Mr. Hanan. In this section, we are going to study about relative clauses. So, what is relative clauses? Take a look here. Our clauses started with relative pronouns: who, that, which, whose, where, and when. So, the use of those things, number one, who and that refers to people, okay? Number two, which and that refers to objects, and whose refers to position, and when refers to a moment in time, and the last is where refers to a particular place. So, take example here. There were 5 examples of those relative clauses. Number one, they always thank person who gives a book. Remember, they always thank person who gives a book. They, because it refers to the people, we should use who. Okay. Number two, I love the book which or that she gave me. Because we are talking about the book, so we should use which or that. Okay? And number three, she complained to the man whose cat played at her home. Whose cat played at her home. Because we are talking about the cat, so we should use whose, means the man's cat. Okay? And Idul Fitri is a day when Muslims are very happy, because Idul Fitri, a moment in time, so we say when, okay? The last one, I visited the house where my father was born, because we are talking about the place, so we say where my father was born. So, some example here. Next, for example, there are 5 examples of relative clauses. Number one is Anna calls Bagas who lives in Depok. Because Bagas as a people, as a person, so we should use who. Number two, Azba didn't know the man who or that was there. Because again, we talk about the people or person, so we should use who or that. And number three, Aneska shared the file which is from Shazia, because we are talking about the file, so we should use with. And number four, number four, Ali talked too much, which is not important, because we are talking about talk, so we say which because object or things that we are talking about right now. And the last one, Enzo talked to his father who works in Jakarta. Because we're talking about Enzo fathers, so we say who refers to the people of the person. That's it. Thank you very much for today. I do hope it gives you tangible benefit in your daily life and in your speaking section. I'm sorry for my mistake. The last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and have a good day. Thank you.